ase tunwa masase aninyancha akobaya ebirubo asobo risopuya korende Biamodanande inche kwamboka Simba Omorubio Simba Arati. I have come here to give condolences from Governor Simba Arati. Governor normally tells me SPS are not allowed to play politics. This lady who is being laid is an auntie. And we are not playing politics. I know all these politicians here. And I'm respecting you and the pastors here saying we don't talk about politics. But I was seated there. Someone said I've come with motorbikes. Abbas is a friend of Governor. He's a chairman of Border Border in Kisii. So if I come with his Border Border to mourn his auntie, I don't see I'm the one who bought him. Let him say hi. And who else is here?
Magara.
The whole honorable MCs have been coming to my home. Including Mheshimiwa Omingo Magara. He need to come to my home immediately the governor was elected to be a governor. I cooked for him so many goodies. Well, he wanted the governor to pick his revenue system to come and charge people more revenues when governor refused. That's how he refused to come to my house anymore. But if you want to come back, I welcome him anytime to my home. Allow me to give the donation from the governor. Yesterday I gave 50,000. Today he has sent me 100,000. And 10,000 for amateur.